Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's been a while since I uploaded last, but I'm back now. There's a story behind that, but I'll get into that another day. So I wanted to start doing a cleaning series on PC parts, since it's still hard to get anything. So today's focus is going to be cleaning case fans. I want to get pretty much case fans looking like this to looking like that. So I guess let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the only things you need to do this job are you need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the screws in the fan. You need some isopro alcohol. I'm probably saying that wrong.
Isopropyl.
You need some Q-tips to wipe down pretty much all the surface areas of the fan, and then some paper towels to help clean up the bulk dirt. So the first thing I did is I unplugged the computer, I removed the side panel. I already loosened the top fan to make this a little easier, but they're held in by 4 screws, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did the top one because it's a little easier to do when I'm not holding a camera. So now I'll just pretty much pull the fan through the side panel, and it makes it a lot easier to pretty much wipe it away. My cables are long enough so I actually don't even have to unhook them from the computer. So now I can get started. So all you gotta do is dip the Q-tip into the alcohol and then just pretty much wipe down all the surface areas of the fan. As you can see, it's already pushing a lot of dirt around. It's already collecting a lot of dirt. You're gonna go through a lot of Q-tips. But also I failed to mention, if you have sensitive hands, I guess, maybe gloves will help as well, because technically this is alcohol and it can burn. It doesn't bother me though, so that's why I'm not wearing gloves. So I will take a paper towel and try to get the remaining bigger clumps of dirt that I missed. And pretty much it is passable now, so it looks a lot better than it did. As you can see, look at these Q-tips, and they're pretty well filthy. Since everything is clean now, all I'm going to do is return the fans to the case. You just want to make sure you put them back in the right direction. They have indicator marks on them, so which way the air would be pulled through the fan. And that's pretty much it. Just screw it down, replace all your filters and covers and stuff like that, and you are pretty much done. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you see, please consider subscribing. Every little bit helps me. And other than that, I hope you have a good day, and bye.